Welcome back to the Code Crafter, and now we have a really good update from the Ollama and Claude. Our Claude Code just got more powerful, and now you can run it totally, completely locally using the Ollama. It means no need of any Anthropic key or no need of any subscription to run the Claude. In this video, we'll share what is the actual update and how you can connect Claude Code to the Ollama and how you can use local and Claude model for coding right from your terminal. Let's get started. As a step one, first of all, you just need Ollama into your system. If you already have, then it's fine. Else, you just simply go to the Ollama website and click on download button. And once it got downloaded, you simply install to your system. And once it got installed, it will look like this to your system. And this is the list of all the models, whatever is available with Ollama. So there's a bunch of model which is available. You can use any local model for your code. Apart from that, it will allow you to give few models which is running on the cloud with the Ollama server itself. You just simply go to your terminal and write Ollama pull and the model whichever you want. So as of now, I'm trying to pull GPT-oss with 20 billion. Till it's getting installed and available to our local, let's go and see the remaining setup things. So if you just simply go to this blog page, here you can find how you can install the Claude Code to your system. Simply you have to copy based on your system. If you are using Windows, you can use this command. If you're using Mac or Linux, you can simply copy this command. So my system is Mac, so I'm copying the curl command. Let's go and open a new tab into our terminal and let's see. Okay, so if you see in my system, Claude got installed successfully. Now what I have to do, let's check it first. Yes, I can see the help related things means Claude got installed successfully. And here we can see our model also got pulled to our local. Let's go to the next step. Okay, so basically what we have to do, like we just need to export this two keys. One is token and second is a base URL. So if you're already aware with entropy keys, so whenever you're going to use the Claude, we have to provide the token and the base URL. For this case, as a token, we just need to provide token as a Ollama, and as a base URL, we just need to provide our local host and Ollama server URL. And basically this is the Ollama server URL. Whenever we start a Ollama, it will run over this server link. As a next step, what we have to do, we just need to run it with which model we want to use. For example, Claude model GPT-oss 20 billion. We want to run with this. We just simply need to copy, and at the place of GPT-oss, you can put any model name that is available to your local system or into the cloud, right? So it's a very simple. Now I'll just go back and put it here. It asking me to, yes, I trust this folder. Okay, now if you see here, like this is my local model which is connected with our Claude. Let's simply run a simple code. So I'm simply asking to write a hello world code in Python. Okay, so friends, if you're able to see it here, it's simply written the code for me in Python. And in the same way, we can write any amount of code or any kind of command whichever you want to do. If you want to run it with a code, so simply how you can run it, those code example is also available to this blog. You just simply copy this and run it to your local. Okay, let's try with the cloud model option from the Ollama. So as I mentioned, like we have this GPT-oss 120 billion cloud model is available from the Ollama site. So let's try to run it. So let's get connected with the cloud model and try to see what we can do. So if you're able to see here, we got connected with GPT-oss 120 billion cloud model. So let's try to see how it works. Write a code to find prime number. Yeah, if you're able to see it here, yeah, it created a code in Python to find a prime number. Even it gives an example code as well to check. So hope you like this video and make sure to like, share and subscribe. And now you can easily able to use Claude Code in your local without any key or any subscription. So thank you for watching this video.